लीजिए सामीन हमारे साथ और नाज़रीन आशिक से अजवाल की हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं जनाब पाकिस्तान मुस्लिम सेंटर के चेयरमैन जनाब चौधरी मोहम्मद अली साहब और आइए उनसे गुफ्तगू करते हैं कि आज का जो मेला जो शेफील्ड की हिस्ट्री में पहली मरतबा ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया उसके बारे में आपकी क्या तासुरात हैं?
Mashallah, I'm really taken back with the sport, with the amount of people who have turned out. It's absolutely wonderful. Something what we all need to be proud of. When we talk for many years about cohesion, we talk about people coming together, we talk about communities need to come together.
Great diversity, not only for Muslim community, but lots of other communities have gathered to attend this event.
True. And they've come out in abundance. The weather's been fantastic. I've got to take my hats off to the organisers today who went into detail.
Sheffield Heritage Centre, right?
Sheffield Heritage Centre and the whole of the team around them. They put an absolutely fantastic show together. And let this not be the first one. I think there's many more to come in many years to go. But I think the important thing what we really need to look at is we talk about around the Eid, youngsters going on the streets, cost,